guys, this video is gonna explain how you can get a free Shein gift card code. Essentially guys, these gift card codes are limited, but once you grab one you can enter it into your basket on Shein and get up to $750 off your entire order. Now it's actually super easy to get these codes, and it's surprisingly easy considering how much money you can save. So you're going to be very excited to watch this video and follow along and get your very own free Shein gift card code. So let me explain and give you a tutorial on how you can go ahead and get your code. So guys, I'm going to swap over to my mobile phone now and show you. Okay, so you can do it on your desktop, but I recommend doing it on your mobile phone. So open up the internet, so either Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use, and go to the following website, giftcardhero.net. I'm going to go there. Now this website gives us lots and lots of codes for different things, but we need to scroll down, and there we go, how to get free Shein gift cards. If you can't find it, you can press menu, go to search and type Shein in there. There's a couple of different pages, but we're looking for this 750 Shein gift card. So we're going to press this. Now this page has got all the instructions on here, so if you get confused by my video or for some reason I'm not clear, you can go ahead and read this page. But we need to click this green button. Now this page will load up. We need to scroll down. There's a bit more information here, but we need to choose the gift card value. I'm guessing you're going to choose 750, so let's press that. Essentially what this website does is it searches through the database for unused Shein codes. These are close to expiry, and once they expire they go to waste, so we might as well use them. So it looks for almost expired codes and gives you one. Okay, so it's found the code, and as you can see the remaining 4 digits are removed. We need to unlock those 4 digits. So we press this show full gift card code button, and this page is going to turn up. Now there's all the information on this page. We've basically just got to complete 2 free offers, and there's description of what we need to do below each offer. So I'm going to click one. I know it's annoying, but it takes a couple of minutes and it gives us a free 750 code, so it's well worth it. This is some sort of survey, so I'm just going to answer the questions. Now there's input your email address. I'm going to put in my correct email address because this does verify you're a human. If you put in false information, it's going to think you're a robot tricking it. So I'm going to do this, go back, do a second one, and then I'll reconvene and we'll see if it gives us the code. Okay guys, so I've just finished 2 offers following the instructions that was on the page. Now I'll go back, and there we go, it's released the full code. So this code will credit my Shein account $750, or you can add it into your basket and it will remove $750 off your basket if you're going to do a large enough order. So that code was one-time use, so you've got to go and generate your own, and you do so by following the instructions on the website or in this video, and go to giftcardhero.net and enjoy your completely free Shein discount codes. So thanks for watching guys, and gift card codes, not discount codes, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.